ever thought coding felt too complicated? What if I told you it's actually like cooking your favorite dish? Welcome to Code Kitchen, where we learn, experiment, and cook code together. Here, we are not just coding, we are creating. We will explore new concept, build project, and understand how everything connects from front end to back end to deployment. Think of it like a kitchen where every framework, library, and tool is an ingredient waiting to be tried. You don't need to be an expert to start. We are learning together step by step. Each video will be like a recipe. First, we understand the concept, then we mix in some hands on coding. Sometimes it might be React, sometimes backend, or maybe even a new tool that just dropped. So, the goal? To explore, experiment, and grow together. If you are someone who love learning by doing, then this kitchen is for you. No pressure, no jargon, just simple, clear and creative coding sessions. So grab your digital apron, hit subscribe and let's cook up something amazing every week. So in this way, I will welcome you to the Code Kitchen where code meets creativity. Let's cook some code together.